All right. May 14th. We're in Gothenburg, which is a really cool sounding town, but we are east of North Platte by about 30-40 minutes, waiting for initiation. We've got a van full of guests from China. We've got Sarah in here from Kuwait, talking on the phone as always, and Jody walking up. And we're hoping for a storm today because we've had 3 days of crap. And today the sky is gorgeous. This is the kind of sky that you want, especially down that way behind me. And if we can get something real good today, we're in a just prime environment for structure, hopefully a tornado, but mostly we just want structure and lightning, something beautiful to photograph. I have nothing this year. One clip maybe on May 14th that I'm happy with. Everything else is garbage. So see how today goes. Sarah, are you excited for today? Jody, are you excited for today? All we do is wait. It's all we do.
Patience.
Watching this and waiting, but it's almost time. It's almost time. All right, so we've been waiting to see if this McCook storm would go, and
perfect, dude.
finally went up right here.
Watch this for like 20 minutes, see what this thing does.
David's excited. Baxter, Colorado weather nut, follow him somewhere, everywhere. Here's our storm.
Beautiful base.
Look at this is nice, isolated by itself. I'm getting worried that this base is looking smaller, but that's okay. We got a lot of time. There's also some other, looks like there's another tower going up there. There's a couple other bases, so if it dies, maybe one of these will be it, but foreground. Starting to get a corkscrew.
Wow, dude, that
Jody said,
that thing just expanded big time.
okay. That was really good. Oh, we're getting some big bolts now, and this thing is expanding. It looks great. Look at these updraft pushes going on the left side. Even have a little bit of structure on the right. Been dropping some really good lightning strikes. And this is probably about to go into it too. I don't know, that looks like outflow crap. We'll see. Wow. Unbelievable. dying now, but we got a whole line of storms behind it. It's a really nice structure for a little bit. Look at this. Oh my God. Unbelievable, Momentus.
I'm just worried about where it was soft up there, if I'm going to be able to back up through that. Every day I wear flip-flops.
Dude, look at down there. Look at this, the teeth on the left down here.